Hi everybody, I am doing a what's in my bag for this bag that you guys saw my unboxing for. So this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 and it's in this beige strap, this neutral one that I just, so good. The strap is literally what made me buy the bag. But anyways, so it looks like this. It's currently filled completely, and you see that it has that dome shape that the Speedy is known for. I also I'll get into what's in my bag and then we'll talk pros and cons. So it does go all the way down. Opening wise is pretty substantial right there, so I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So first is my keys, and I have my Hermes Calvi. I think this is called the Calvi, and just have my cards in there, and this is currently filled and looks like this. I have some pretty big items in here so that it doesn't get lost. If you don't have them in pouches and such, you're gonna have to dig in here, which yesterday I used it without any pouches and I did end up digging. So, and then I have my iPhone 14 Pro. It's the 6.5 inch. And look at this case, it's so cute. And then I have diaper and pack of wipes because essentials. And then I just have my mini pochette in here, and this is what it looks like. It does have a slip pocket right here, and I just have business cards in there. And all the weight on this bag is just the strap, because the bag itself literally weighs nothing. But this is what that, and then let me show you guys what's in my pochette. So I just have tissue, and then my eyelash comb. I have my Hermes lipstick, which you guys saw in that hole, and this is, oh, it's a lip enhancer. So it's literally a lip balm with color, and I just love this magnetic. I love the packaging of it, it's so cute. And I have lollipop snacks for my kids, and then my power bank and power bank charger. Oh, my hair tie just fell. And then I do have 2 mini travel size perfumes in here, the Dolce & Gabbana light blue, and then the Hermes, or no, the Louis Vuitton. I don't really know how to say that. But yeah, that's everything that fits in this bag. And now let's go with my pros and cons. My pro is how cute it is. In my unboxing video, I talked about how I haven't shopped at Louis Vuitton for a while. None of their items have really been catching my eye. I know that this launched, but I did not like the strap at all. The pink and the black was just not me, because the black, even though it is semi-neutral, it still had some pinks in it, and I'm just not a pink person. But when this strap, I did not even know that it was available until I went on the Louis Vuitton website, because I was looking at the Speedy. At first I was looking at Speedy 25s because I did previously own it. However, I wanted to know if maybe it'll suit my lifestyle again. But I saw this, and then curiosity, I just wanted to look at the strap, because
whenever you go to the store that has a popsicle, get to give me this one.
Okay.
Because it's so red.
Okay. And I just looked at the straps that it came in, and I know that it was adjustable, but this strap is just, so first pro is the strap, or first pro is the bag itself, and then the strap. And I love how all the hardwares literally match. And if you're a Speedy person or a Louis Vuitton person in general, only the higher ticket items have the matching hardware. This is a higher priced, but it's more on the lower end as far as leather is concerned, and I'm just glad that all the hardwares match. I love that the opening is pretty generous and it goes all the way down. Love that. And then my hand does fit, and I can wear it crook of the arm if I choose to. I don't with this bag just because it's more of a casual style, but yeah. And my only con with the bag itself is literally the price, and also because it is the Vachetta. There's quite a bit of Vachetta on this one. Oh no. But yeah, everything else I love. Everything is a con. If you're considering this bag, you should get it, definitely. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.